Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you on how do Shopify gift cards work. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then search for out of the sandbox Shopify gift cards. Once you find it, click on the first link that appears. It says 5 ways Shopify gift cards can work for you. Now there are many answers. Here's one of the answers as to how Shopify gift cards work. All gift cards are paid for in full upfront, so you can get the benefit of what the gift card industry calls float, or the time between when the gift card is purchased and when it is actually used. You'll want to check with your finance expert because there are often rules about how to handle unused gift card balance funds. Also, it's also possible that some gift card purchases will go unused, meaning that's essentially extra revenue for your store. Again, check with your financial team for any rules regarding this one. There are a total of 5 lengthy answers, and I'll leave it up to you to read them. Don't worry, take your time, but here's what I know. Shopify gift cards, they're good for your store. And if ever you're buying one for your friend, it's also good. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.